Hi all, welcome to this video. So in previous video, we already completed, what is inner join, and even we completed in previous or lectures how to launch Jupyter Notebook and how to install. I already installed DuckDB in our local machine. See here, I already launched Jupyter Notebook. Let me open this one file here. So this Python file. Let me make name joins. Okay. See this data already there, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, data 5. I'm going to read this data and I already provided this data. Okay. So see, let me first read this data. So I want to write here path 1. So that is data 1 dot CSV. CSV. So we have almost 5 data if you see. So let me read all this data like this. So path 1, path 2, path 3, 4, 5. So then path 2 is equal to data2.csv, data3.csv, sorry, data3.csv, then path data4.csv, 5.csv. And I want to read all this data. So let me import DuckDB, import DuckDB, right? We already installed DuckDB. Let's try to make the connection here itself. DuckDB.net. Right now, let's try to read one data. So we already completed how to read data. So let me write query 1 is equal to, sorry, then select star from, this is path 1, right? And then data 1 is equal to con dot execute q1, and I want to convert into df. So write df here. Now let's try to take data 1. So this is a data 1. I want to read data 2 also in data 2. Okay. So let's write here data, maybe data 4. I want to check this first. Df. Okay. And let's write here data 4. Data 4 is here. So Q4 is not defined. Okay, sorry. We have to define Q4 here. So write path 4 and then write here Q4. Okay. Now see, this is the data, right? See, we want to apply inner join. Here you can see we have ID, name, zone, sales amount, and here I have name and salary. I want combined both table. Both table means this table and this table, right? But see, there is an issue here. There are there are here you can see names Ajay, Dinesh, Preeti, Suresh, Jyoti, different names. But here you can see we got only Ajay, Dinesh, and Preeti. So how can, if we do inner join, in previous video I already talked about that, if you apply inner join we will get only and only the common data. Sorry, okay. So here if you see names and names, so we got only those names which is common, because we are applying joins on names, so we'll get only common names in inner join. So let's try to understand this. Let me write first inner join here. Let me write one query q is equal to, I'm writing here like this, select star from path 1, right? Path 1, this one. Then inner join. Inner join, I want inner join with what? Even if you want to write query, you can write directly query outside also. So here you can see there is an outside query to select star from data 4, right? This is the path 4. So I can directly apply inner join on this query. Okay. or otherwise you can take this data also. It totally depends on you. If you want to take this directly, this query which is outside, so you can write like this: inner join, then write here, this is Q4. Okay, so inner join Q4 on. So right here, like select star from path 1 as maybe right here data 1, and write inner join with Q4 as data 2 on data 1 dot name. We want to apply inner join on name column. So right here data 1 dot name is equal to data 2 dot data 2 dot name, right? So let me hit this. Let's try to make a data column and then con dot execute, give the query here and dot df. Let me hit this. Let's try to see data here. See, we got this combined table where we have name, salary account, then salary, sorry, sales account, then salary also. Yeah, if you want only names, you just write here. Maybe you can take name from any column, but it is same. So write data one dot name. We want name. We want sales amount. So write here data one dot sales amount and salary available in data two. So write here comma data two dot salary. Right. Now, if you check, so we got only those things. See, we got only three names. If you see Ajay, Dinesh, and Preeti, because only three names available in data four, right? This query, this table. But in this table, you have more than three names. But you are not getting all the names. We are getting only these three names because we will apply inner join. So whenever you apply inner join, we will get only common data. In the previous video, I already talked about this. See, we are getting only the common data, right? Okay. So I believe you guys are able to understand how these inner joins work and what is inner join and when we can apply inner join. Whenever we want the common data, we can apply inner join. Common data, it means common data on that particular column, right? Which on which we are applying joins. Okay. Thank you for watching this.